Good evening everyone. Welcome back to another news segment on the COVID News Network. I'm Manju Krishnan here to brief you on the latest news on the healthcare space. Top stories of the day are: Microsoft collaborates with Social Alpha to accelerate the growth of health tech startups in India. Delhi is leading its way in the centralized healthcare management. Joining with us today is Mr. Hrithik Rohra, an industry expert on artificial intelligence. Mr. Hrithik.
Thank you so much, Manju. Good evening to all our viewers. Today I have Dassault Systems 3D Experience Lab, which enables innovation and accelerated programs, and it has tied up with BrainStart AI, an Indian startup in neuroscience, in its efforts to revolutionize the diagnosis and prognosis of neuropsychiatric disorders using AI. The psychiatrists can leverage this simulation technology to forecast challenges and outcomes for disorders such as schizophrenia, bipolar disorder, and dementia. Through simulation of prognosis, the doctors can easily develop a medication and therapy to impact the ailing patients. In another news, Microsoft has joined hands with Social Alpha, an Indian incubator, to provide Microsoft cloud platforms for healthcare startups. With the help of this, the healthcare startups can unlock the power of Microsoft Azure, Microsoft 365, Dynamics, and Microsoft Power Platform. It will enable the startups to access a portfolio of release and new healthcare capabilities tailored to unique requirements of health data in the cloud. And back to you, Manju.
Thank you, Mr. Hrithik. With work from home being the buzzword of the year, to test from home becoming the need of the hour, telehealth and teletherapy has inevitably become the game changer of the healthcare industry in this pandemic. To elaborate more on this, we have with us Dr. Vishala Baligar. Welcome, Doctor.
Thank you, Manju. So one of the trends that we are seeing in telemedicine is with new measures for telehealth for senior citizens. Now, with COVID-19 proving to be quite lethal for senior citizens who are aged 60 years and above, we have a lot of apps coming into the marketplace that are revolutionizing the way they care for senior citizens. One of these apps is Umbrella. Umbrella has decided to coordinate contactless delivery of essentials to adults over the age of 60. Another telehealth provider that we have is Vital Care, which has offered its platform to senior living and long-term care facilities free of charge for the first 90 days during the crisis. One of the other trends that we're also seeing in this telemedicine space is with teletherapy coming to the rescue of the mental health toll that we are seeing with the COVID pandemic increasing. Now, as we know, with social distancing and lockdown orders in place, there are more and more people dealing with a lot of mental health issues such as anxiety and depression. So we have apps such as Visa, Talkspace, and Able2, which are actually seeing a huge surge in their demands once the COVID-19 pandemic has hit.
Dr. Vishala Baligar, that's all for the CNN Town Hall News. This is Manju Krishnan signing off. Have a great evening.